time to go to work. Tubes of doom. What's up, launchers? Are you ready to get constructive? Yes, I am.
All right.
Yeah, baby.
All right.
Yeah, baby.
All right.
Double, baby. Double, baby. Under the bridge. Where's that confounding bridge?
All right.
Somebody give me the bridge. Where's that confounding bridge?
All right.
That's right, baby. That's right. Clean double, brother. Clean. Construction double. Double trouble in the construction zone. Ooh.
All right.
Not a double, but a nice single. All right, let's go find another spot. Yeah, baby! Let's try that again. By George. Yeah! Sweet! Sweet, baby! Ooh, baby, baby! That was a lander. Clean. There you go. Double, baby. Yeah, nice transfer. Beautiful. Beautiful. Monster double. That's right, baby. That's right. I see another one. And they pulled it backy. Oop, watch out, snags. I see snags. We got snags everywhere. Okay, we're not gonna waste our juice on this little stuff. We're gonna go big. Go big. Yeah, baby. Double here, double there, double there, double everywhere, double, double. Old McElsie found a spot. There was lots of jumps. The hump, the hump. I do the hump, the hump. That's right, baby, that's right. Ground. There's the Mojave River. RC Playground as LC breaks the law. I mean, explores. Yes! That was bad! Ooh, this looks cool right here. Like a berm or something. Air control, baby. Brabba! I love the desert. This is what we see here in the desert. That's what we see here. All right. Let's try another spot. Tubes of Doom. There they are. Not today, though. We're looking for the Mountains of Doom. It's 12 by 9 feet 4 inches. Are there any good ones here? That's a good one. Double, baby! Try this now. Yeah, baby! This is fun, Dad! Yes, it is, isn't it? I'm glad you brought me and not those other degenerates! Hey now, be nice to your brothers. Should've just done a double. Men at work. Ouch! That break. Wow, you're tough. You landed right on that rock, sucker. Yeah, baby. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. Yes! Alright! Okay, we'll try one round in the Tubes of Doom. Just one. Oh, the jaws of death. The vortex. Ooh, that's dead. All right, no more Tubes of Doom. Ooh-wee.
Don't even think about it. Don't even think.
Yeah, baby! You're a good dog. You're a good doggy. You're a good boy, Vortex. Let's try this one again. This one was fun. Yes! Double and just flop. Double on the flop. Double on the flop. Up, up, up. We got a double on the flop. Up, up. Yes! Giant robot! Giant robot attack! heck was that? Oh boy, she's finding out. We hit it, brothers. We hit it, launchers. We hit LVC, and it was a successful session. Yay, Dad! Yay, I did it, Dad, I did it! Yes, you did. You're awesome, Vortex. Thanks for watching, you guys. And as always, don't forget to launch it.